Hello you guys, it is Sunday and I just uploaded a video for you today, so you should go check it out. It is my TV stand. My TV is on a cardboard box. Okay, you should go check that video out and let me know what you think. So Sunday is normally the day where me and Kevin actually leave the house and do a lot of fun stuff. The dogs are here asleep. If you heard that sound, that was Snoop. Snoop, you okay? Come here. Come here. He has gotten so big, you guys. Like, let me see if I can tilt the camera. He has gotten so big. So today me and Kevin are supposed to go. We're supposed to go to the mall and run a few errands. I'm not sure what else. I have some soul food leftovers that I'm about to go eat, and I'm gonna do something to this hair because we just looking froey right now. And I think I'm just gonna leave this shirt on because I don't know what else, like what I want to wear. If I want to be cute or if I just want to be casual. So let's get started. It's 7 p.m. Friday. No, you ain't got me. Hey, out the kitchen. It's still cold, like I don't understand. Out the kitchen. Okay, so I just have on this shirt and a hat, and I threw on a wig because I really didn't feel like doing my hair. And it looks it's about to rain, so hopefully this works out. I don't know if I can see me in school back a little bit. Let me see. Let me see if I can get the pants. Let me see. Let me bring it down some. Okay, so just have on some sweatpants. This shirt, it kind of shows the belly a little bit, but yeah, that's it. I don't know where we're going first. Kevin is gonna let me know. I'm just gonna be the passion seat rider. Yeah, we are always waiting for Kevin. He is the slowest. Don't be a hater. Why are you trying to light it out?
I see it. What I see.
Dang, get out the way. We are in the mall right now. Kevin's looking up things that he might buy. How much was it? Kevin wants me to wear this stuff, y'all. I don't think I have enough room to squeeze into this. Yeah.
It's mainly
for women with their waist snatch.
There's people with their waist snatch.
I don't think I have a waist snatch. Let me just show y'all. You guys, look how cute. Oh wait, hold on, another thing. Look how cute the little baby socks are. I can always come back and get them, and they have like the little ridges on them. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to shop for baby stuff. At the same time, I know it's gonna be way more expensive than just socks. And there's Kevin.
Like, where the fuck you go?
Right here.
These all are like this color.
Oh, you guys get to win.
Cookies and cream large. Can I have whipped cream on top of the small one, please?
Yeah. Oh my god.
I support. I know you ain't recording me from my card.
No. Ooh, this is good. We got some pizza. The fruit must be really good.
I'm talking about what they put in that bit.
They do good. Alright, you guys, the mall closed on us, but we did get some pizza and some drinks for dinner. We got another slice for later. I'm not sure where we're headed. I finally got an Apple Watch charger, guys, so I get to get my Apple Watch started up again. Wow, he boy ran that stop sign.
That nigga did.
And people be mad, like, oh my god, you hit me. Like, you ran the stop sign, bro.
That's what I'm trying to figure out what you got going on.
Just to go right there, like, it's not that serious. They got a movie theater right there.
AMC. Oh, that's what they told me about it.
Man, watch out for all red cars today. They just coming out. Yes, I know. It's time to eat. Here you go, mama. Here you go, Alright, you guys, so we are back home. Kevin wanted to go somewhere else, but I was like, no, I am so tired. I'm ready to come back home. Rose, hi. Come here, come on. Come up. Hi. I just fed the dogs because they haven't ate yet. Normally they eat about 5. So, hi, mama. Are you okay? Where's daddy? Go find daddy. Go find daddy. Go find daddy. Where's daddy? Go. Ouch. Go find daddy. Where's daddy? Where's daddy? So me and Kevin are just gonna chill, watch some movies, maybe work on the puzzle that I bought him like 3 Valentine's Days ago, and maybe play some video games or something like that. But yeah, I need to do some laundry for the week, and that's pretty much it. Here they go. What are y'all doing? Rose and Sue, why are y'all sharing water? Rose. Normally you don't even drink all your water. Why are you stealing his water? Hi, Snoop. Oh, okay. Okay. Did you eat all your food? Yes. You guys, okay, on the floor. Did you ring the bell? Okay, you need to go outside? Yes. Okay. What's on here? Rose.
She said, I'm the starter. I built this shadow up, brick by brick.
Get off. Good job. Alright, you guys, it is 6:40 something, and we are running late. Let's go, Kevin. Yeah, I left it on for you.
For what?
So we could, Alright, you guys. It's been a minute since I vlogged in the car. I don't think I put my camera up there. I'm just gonna do my camera like this. Because, what is stand up? It won't stand up. Let me take y'all off the tripod. Y'all, I honestly struggle to take y'all off the tripod. But we have some Smoothie King and some oatmeal. This is a kale, banana, apple little smoothie drink. I think this is a kid's. But it's good. And this is cinnamon apple. Like that's like lately has been like my favorite is cinnamon apple. Ooh. I'm just on my 15 right now. So me and baby, we're hungry. So I think for lunch we're gonna get Papa's barbecue. I'll show you that when it gets here. It is currently like 10:13. I'm gonna put on my timer because I'm gonna get in trouble. Let me see. I'm gonna do 13 minutes. I'm gonna watch some Netflix or Tubi. And I'll see you guys on lunch. I got our food. I have a chopped beef sandwich. Kevin got the chicken. Not the chicken. What is it called? The pork sandwich. But yeah. For you guys. Oh yeah, so this is mine. Chopped beef. This is Kevin. He got the pork sausage. Just put it up there for him. And then what I like to do, because, oops, spilling. I like to get the loaded baked potato with chopped beef in it for our side. Because they don't have sides at Papacitas that I know of. But and then I just break it in half and I just get the extra container and we just split like half the baked potato together. So yeah, so let me prep that now. Alright, so I was able to actually tear it in half so he can add like his own like barbecue sauce to it. I have a whole bunch of them. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and rub it down on this. I have like 14 minutes left of my lunch because I've only been taking 30-minute lunches just so I can leave early. But I feel like I just made a big mess. But I'm gonna take the container that doesn't have all that grease in it because baby, I don't know why this has so much grease in it. Like, you can see that, but it has like a lot of grease. I'm just gonna get that to Kevin, or I can drain it for him. Nah, he'll figure it out. I'll drop you off.
Are you gonna drop me off?
We'll have a side in there too.
What side you got? You baked potato?
I don't know.
She got some of that good. Some of that. Some of that. Ooh. Oh shit.
You guys. So Kevin just stop. Don't steal my shoe. So Kevin just went to off the couch. You guys, really? Kevin just went through the football game with his aunt, and I am here with the dogs. Just took them out. Everyone held their pee pee and poop, and now this is what they're letting off a little steam. They're super hype. I don't know why, but I'm gonna go ahead and feed them. I'm out of breath. I'm gonna go ahead and feed them and sit down for a little bit. You guys, are you guys ready to eat? Are you guys ready to eat? Come on, let's go to the kennel. Let's go eat. Yeah, this guy, he's ready to eat. Why is he so aggressive? You ready for your water? Here. There you go. Guys, drain me. You guys, so I just made it to my people's house, and here's Jasper. These guys, hi, yes, you're excited? They're here with their big brother of 10. Stop eating grass. Here, use that bathroom, Snoop. They needed to let off some energy. So we're here.
Alright, would that complete your order?
Yes.
18.50, thank you.
Thank you. It is lunchtime, you guys, and I am looking more and more tired. We do not have any work. It's super slow for me. I think Kevin has work, but like, still, I'm pretty sure it's still draining, but we're on lunch trying to figure out what we're gonna eat.
24.55.
For sure. Thank you.
Y'all, Kevin tried to copy me. He got grape Fanta. I got grape High C. Didn't give us no straws. And we decided on Wendy's, by the way. Hopefully they bring straws. Kevin had me try the meal of misfortune at Wendy's. Only thing I don't like is the sauce. It's like a... This is a sauce. It's like a thick, gooey sauce, like, and it's spicy. I just prefer ketchup or barbecue sauce. Just gonna enjoy this before I go back. I got less than 10 minutes, so...
You gotta get out.
Get my way out. Hello. Hi. Relax. Okay. Hi, Snoop. Hi. Hello, you guys. It is Wednesday, and Kevin made me a sandwich, turkey, cheese, and mayonnaise. And let me show you. I got carpet cleaner on the floor. I don't know if you guys can see, but I am going to be vacuuming the house. They're still in the kennel. Kevin's hating. Kevin hating because I'm going to vacuum the floor.
Transition, I'm gonna be done with it.
Cool. Finish my sandwich, I'm gonna vacuum, and you guys can watch me vacuum. And then dog's gotta go out to potty. You keep leading you, let me vacuum. I'm gonna return y'all beds back to the place.
Big wrist. Come daddy, come to daddy.
Okay, calm down.
Hey, baby.
Hello. The background.
Come to daddy.
Alright, so I already pre-prepped their bowls. Now we're gonna go ahead and go potty. Let's go potty. Snoop, come here. Come here. Hello. Have you ever seen the ice prep right here?
Yeah, what about it?
It's crazy.